The new product title function takes an original title in English and shortens it within the maximum length you desire. It avoids ending titles in the middle of words or with certain words such as for, and, or with. To use this function on a Google Sheet, follow these steps. 1. Type =, then new product title. 2. Type the title or the cell reference where the title is located. You may also click on a cell to select it. 3. Type a comma and then the maximum number of characters the title is allowed to have, such as 80 for eBay. 4. Press Enter to finish entering the formula. Now you should have the shortened version of this title. To access this function, you must first install the Mark Teach Tools library to your Google Sheet. See the description of this video to download the library and add it to your spreadsheet.